As I mentioned in the previous video that there are some technical requirements in order to use the app, there is another requirement in order to actually sign up. You will need an invitation from an existing Clubhouse user in order to create a profile. Yes, Clubhouse is an invite-only app, and when somebody joins, you only get one invite to send. But don't worry, there's a chance for you to sign up. The easiest way would be to post on Instagram or Facebook and ask who is already accepted into the Clubhouse app. Also, you never know which one of your friends have invites waiting. Reach out on social media, ask around, and you can get in. People are picky and not everyone can get in. So far, people are only inviting those who they know personally or have a good relationship with. Some are afraid if they invite someone to the app, that person might violate guidelines and it would reflect poorly on that person. Why is that so? Well, every profile has a section where you can see who nominated you and who sent you the invite. So it's not like you can hide it. When you join, follow the guidelines, respect the community, and treat the app as business. As per Clubhouse guiding principles, the app was designed to be a space for authentic conversation and expression, where people can have fun, learn, make meaningful connections, and share rich experiences with others around the world. Be yourself, be respectful, be inclusive, build empathy and understanding, and foster meaningful and genuine connections. If you Google a bit, you will see there is a subreddit where you can connect with people and ask for invites. Don't be pushy and don't try to join this app in order to spread bad language. If you actually want to learn, be patient, connect with someone, and politely ask for an invite. I have left the link to the subreddit, and it will be in your resources to this course, so you can check that out.